Hi, I'm Nicholas Dallas, the owner of Stratton Terrace Marketing. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking out the website. You're here for one of five reasons, either whether it's website design, SEO, AI implementation, lead generation, or social media management. You've come to the right spot. All throughout this website, I've made it relatively available for you to get a hold of me, whether that's through a call button or to book an appointment for a free consultation. Once you get to each service page is clearly explained and in total transparency. There's a quick little intro section. Right below that are the three most common mistakes that business owners make when creating their digital footprint. And then right below that are the services and our pricing. When you see our pricing, I want you to know one thing. If you're just starting off, I remember what that's like. I remember what it was like not to be able to outsource my work, but yet I had this vision and I had this idea, but I myself couldn't yet achieve it. And you have your dream, you have your passion. Bring that to me. Bring that to my team and I, messy or not. And I want you to know that will work within your budget. We might not be able to give you everything that you want, but we'll be able to give you everything that you at least need in order to get that start, in order to get those booked calls, those booked services, to have people check out with your products. And when it comes to the understanding of that, I truly do understand. I've been in your shoes and I'm just here to help. So, whether you're a small business, mom and pop shop, an enterprise level, we are ready and here to help you grow. Whether it's through website design, SEO, AI implementation, lead generation, my sole job is to make sure that you are successful. So when you're ready, you feel free to hit that call button, book an appointment, and I'm here to answer any of your questions. Once again, I'm Nicholas Dallas, the owner of Stratton Terrace Marketing, and I really appreciate you taking the time and checking out our website, and I truly look forward to helping you create your dream, build that path to be able to showcase to the world. Take care.